All right, 4 foundational pieces of the RA puzzle. Deployment, model optimization, the right language and tools, and a flexible architecture.
Those are the essentials. You get these right, you're in good shape for building a killer ARG agent. Okay, so we've laid the foundation. But a house needs more than just a foundation, right?
Right. Time to make this ARG agent shine. Make it work.
It all starts with the knowledge base. That's what we feed our AI.
Garbage in, garbage out.
Exactly. You can't expect a chef to make a gourmet meal with rotten ingredients. And knowledge base optimization, that's where it all begins.
So, first step, how do we even organize all this info?
Chunking. We break the information down into manageable pieces.
But there's got to be more to it than just, like, chopping up text randomly.
Oh, definitely. There's fixed size chunking, easy, but might split up important stuff. Sentence-based makes more sense, but the chunks can be all over the place, size-wise. And then there's late chunking.
Late chunking.
It's more dynamic, takes the query into account.
Ah, so you're saying it's about finding the right level of detail, but also keeping things coherent.
Exactly. But even after chunking, the AI still needs to understand it all, and that's where embeddings come in.
Embeddings. Those are like, what, turning words into numbers the AI gets.
Exactly. Think of it like turning a sentence into a secret code, a code that captures the meaning.
Okay, so we've got chunks, we've got embeddings. Where does it all go?
The vector database. It's the AI's library. It's knowledge repository.
So picking the right database is key.
Oh, absolutely. Speed, how much it can handle. It all depends on that choice.
It's like designing a library. You want the AI to be able to find the right book quickly.
Great analogy. Now, once we have that set up, think about the person searching in that library. They need to ask the right questions.
Intelligent query processing. That's next, right?
We got to make sure the AI understands what we're asking.
So not just matching keywords, but actually getting the intent.
Right. And LLMs can be super helpful here. They can rewrite queries, make them more precise. Like, imagine someone's searching using jargon.
The AI might not get it.
Exactly. The LLM can translate that jargon into something the AI understands.
Like having a specialized librarian who speaks both languages.
I like that. And sometimes we got to break a complex question into smaller ones.
Divide and conquer.
Yep. And filtering out irrelevant stuff. That helps the AI stay focused.
Makes sense. Now, the AI has a clear question, knows where to look. What's next?
Precision retrieval. We're talking about finding the most relevant info in the entire knowledge base.
Okay, so we found the right book in the library. Now we need to open it to the right page.
Exactly. We've got cosine similarity, which is like finding similar words. And then there's BM25, more of a classic full-text search approach. Combining those can be really powerful.
Using the best of both worlds.
And then there's re-ranking. Think of it as double-checking the top results, making sure they're truly the best.
Quality control for search results.
Exactly. And for those common questions, we can even pre-compute answers. It's like having cheat codes.
Makes things super fast. All right, so we've retrieved the information. Last step.
Response optimization. Now the AI has to give us an answer that makes sense.
It's got to communicate clearly.
Right. This is where prompt engineering comes in. Crafting the perfect instructions for the LLM. It's like giving an artist a detailed brief.
Guiding the creative process.
Exactly. And sometimes we use something called chain of thought prompting. It helps the AI think step by step, but it can take a bit longer.
So it's more thoughtful, but maybe a bit slower.
You got it. And of course, we can't forget about answer validation, double-checking the AI's work to make sure it's accurate, complete.
Like a fact checker.
Exactly. So, to sum up this part, we've covered how to make the knowledge base top-notch, how to process queries intelligently, how to retrieve information precisely, and how to optimize the responses.